Once there was a two friends, squirrel a puppy. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo. They used to play together. Squirrel are very confident to win the game. I am one. I am one. I am one. The puppy used to feel bad and thought it was of no use. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, 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 woo. Woo. One day it started raining heavily. The squirrel is doing acts. Suddenly she fell in the rainwater. Puppy! Come puppy! Help me puppy, please come! Help me puppy, please come! The puppy comes, rescue the squirrel and climbed on its back. And reached the safe place. Sit here puppy. Sit. Sit. Now you are good? Thank you puppy. Thank you so much for saving my life. One of the stories. Always have confidence in yourself. Everyone is unique in your own way. Thank you.